like I'm flying with no parachute. Take a risk I never do. You make me feel,
It looks nice.
like I'm flying.
Very excited for the inside.
Jump with me.
Oh.
We could fall 1,000,000 feet. It don't matter where we land. When my heart is in your hand, it's like a remedy. And when I can't breathe.
Anyway, so
Bruh.
okay, so today we are going to IKEA, dine in. Sounds like a plus, but basically just go there and eat. This is my first time eating at the IKEA restaurant. The most I've tried hot dog and ice cream. Well, and some of the snack there. Oh yeah, I saw this salted egg fried chicken. Yes, I'm excited to try that. Like 3 out of 10 excitement.
Is there something after there's nothing to say?
I'm waiting for my friend right now, and I try my best to find seats around, you know, that area. Because got sunlight, it's nicer, like it looks nicer there. Here is packed with so many people. Yeah, I'm spotting areas now. That's the best I can do for now. Oh yeah, I can just sit there, right? I should just sit there.
But we're losing our shape.
I think they are finished. I got the seat. It's a very nice corner. I'm happy. So now what we're going to do right now is wait for our friends. I think they're coming soon. I'm feeling a bit hungry, so I'm actually quite excited for the salted egg chicken and see how it tastes like. I think the environment here is quite not bad. This is my first time coming here inside the restaurant. Not my first time coming here, of course not. This is Monday though, and it's like about 2 o'clock and it's packed with like a lot of people. Yeah, there's a long queue at the food area.
Like a star that slowly disappears in the night. Oh, where did all the good things go?
Oh yeah. Happy because of food? Me also. Ayo, can you help me? 可以进去吗？ I think 2 is good. Interesting. I heard that this is good, but I don't know if it's good. Wow, your mask so cute.
The restaurant not like that one. It's Alexandra Road, so
Yeah, but it's like that though. Wow, the sauce. The sauce very creamy, but then the salted egg, like the very mild, but creamy. So I think it's the butter. I think I'll come here and eat this again. Actually not bad. 960 I think the price wise, I think it's not bad. Is it nice? There's a nut on top though. A lot of layer. It's like chocolatey. And then there's this bubbling and also a bit nutty. If you take photo like when there's sunlight shining on you, this is nice. Take a picture.
hour.
Yeah. No, this is not gold hour, this is sunset hour. Does it make sense?
哦，都屁股痛。哎，你乱乱拍的啦！
真的，我在拍。Thank you. See what I got. They say this is good.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up?
Oh, it looks good.
Doesn't taste like brown sugar. Tell you.
Oh, they got sell the tanghulu. Have you tried before? Oh, the 包. Oh, I want to buy their 包 but 等一下会很饱。Should I buy one? I think I'll buy one. Then now 我看先。Oh my god, this is so good. I finally bought something. It looks good. Not bad. Not oily also. Seriously, not 一点点。You're rolling eyes.
哦，哦，早知道不要买那个奶。好新耶！太饿了的东西。
Let's try.
Is it nice?
Bruh.
So I got this like raisin aftertaste.
That's
like,
the longan.
I never buy, thank goodness. I don't like it. Not to my liking.
我们要去哪里？看，看，我们要走前面，还是走这里？
We went here like 3-4 times.
No way, I didn't ask you.
Oh, it's a bit wet, moist. Ooh, it looks nice. Very excited for the inside. Very, not bad. First time trying this recommended bakery from Instagram. I saw this on Instagram. They say it's really good.
I like the bread.
The bread is quite, what texture though? Like quite soft. But I think mommy won't like it because it's very chocolatey and a bit sweet. No, not a bit, quite sweet though.